In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an advance payment in Zoho Books. Whether you're a business owner managing your finances or an accountant handling multiple accounts, knowing how to correctly log advance payments is essential for accurate bookkeeping. Let's dive in and simplify the process for you so that you can get it right every time, without any hassle. First, we'll begin by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Zoho to access their platform. It's a simple start, but it's important to ensure that you locate the official website. Now, when you've made the search, look for the first link in the results, or make sure it's a link with zoho.com in the URL. Click on it, and this should lead you straight to the Zoho homepage. If you're new to Zoho, you might need to sign up for an account. Otherwise, simply log in using your existing credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, navigate to the Sales section. You'll spot it on the main menu or as a tab in the navigation panel. Hover over it and click on Customers. This part of the process ensures that you are set up to manage customer transactions seamlessly. Now, once you're in the Customers section, you'll want to locate the specific customer who is making the advance payment. Take your time to find the correct customer from the list presented. This is a crucial step, as you'll want to ensure the payment is attributed to the right account. Click on their name to open their detailed customer page. Inside the customer's detail page, you should see a drop-down menu titled New Transaction. Click on this to reveal a list of different types of transactions you can enter for this customer. From the drop-down, pick Customer Payment. This will direct you to a new form specifically designed for entering payments from the customer in question. In the payment form that appears, there's a tab labeled Customer Advance. Click on it to make sure you're capturing the payment correctly as an advance. Here, you'll be prompted to fill in the necessary details. Enter the fields such as the amount received and the payment date. It's important to double-check these details for accuracy to ensure your books reflect the correct balances. Once everything looks good and you're confident that the information is correct, go ahead and click Save. This action will log the advance payment in Zoho Books, updating the customer's account and your financial records appropriately. And that's it. You've successfully added an advance payment to Zoho Books. Remember, ensuring accuracy in bookkeeping is key to maintaining clear and precise financial records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial made the process of adding advance payments in Zoho Books straightforward for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and guides.